In this video, we'll use Hex Workshop to max our stats in Fallout 2. We'll also use CheatEngine to edit the character's hit points in real time.
FBI, open up!
With the Hex Workshop software, we can edit binary files represented in hexadecimal format, manipulating single bytes. Here it is. Let's launch Fallout 2, create a new character file, set the values to 5, and save. War never changes. New game. Let's create a new character. Alright, they're all set to 5. Let's save it. Save. Let's call it PRS. The file extension is GCD. Remember this. The file has been saved in the installation folder. In modern video games, you'll find it in documents and or in app data instead. So hold Shift, right click, open in terminal. Let's give it CMD so that we don't use PowerShell, which is awful. I don't remember where Fallout 2 is, so let's just do this. Dir/s for a recursive search. Fallout. There you go. Select it. Enter to copy. Yeah, very intuitive. Right click to paste. In double quotes, because of the spaces, Explorer. No, well, this is a trick. You can open the Windows Explorer this way. But I wanted to look for the GCD file, so just do this. With /s before. There you go. It's in Fallout 2 English. It's not like Linux. There you go. There you go. Here it is. Let's open it in Hex Workshop. As you can see here, there are various values that match the 5s we seen earlier. As you can see, there are different values set to 5. We can edit them immediately. Let's set them all to 3. 0, 3, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3. Save it. Nope, no backup. And now, if we load it again, they're all set to 3, right? Let's cheat and set them all to 10. In hexadecimal format, 10 is equal to the letter A, so 0A, 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 save. Load it again. Ta-da! Choose perks and skills. All guns, unarmed, and melee weapons. Finesse. And sex appeal, of course. But when you click on done, it will say that we need to spend the other points, which are 5. Let's set them to 0 instead. I think it's this one. It's either this one or this other one. Let's check. Yeah, I was right. Now we can launch it. Max. Now we want to change the total number of hit points with the CheatEngine software. Okay, we can quit. Here, let's start CheatEngine. Link it to the Fallout process. Now, the CheatEngine address space search feature works by exclusion. Let's say we want to find the memory address for the hit points, which will be 45, right? Let's do the first scan, look for the number 45 in memory. But there are too many. See, there's new scan and next scan. We can define a conditional parameter. We need decreased value. We lose some hit points to refine our search. So let's lose some hit points to an angry ant, and then we'll click to next scan. There you go. We've gone down to 2 addresses basically, so let's add them to the list. 1 and 2. Let's activate both of them. Well, only one. Let's see which one is the correct one. Let's set it to 999. See if it works. Nope. Must be the other one. Yes. But we've actually activated God mode because the value will be frozen at the number 999. Since one of the 2 values is not right, we can remove it from the list. Excellent. Let's increase now the action points. Basically the green dots when we enter combat. These ones. From the character screen we see that we have 10. Let's start a turn with all of the 10 action points active and do a new scan. Search for 10. Let's rename this. Ten. Decreased value. Let's spend 3 action points. We could also choose decrease value by 3. So, we'll be more precise. Let's activate it. Let's call it action point. Let's set it to... No. Set it to 60. Whoa. It says 10 here, but it's not 10, because if we try moving, we see that we can spend more than 10. 21. There you go. 60, but not 61. Let's try increasing it. Yeah, it works. Seems like 92 is the limit. Run, Forest. Run. Excellent. By the way, we can do this operation with any numerical value. We can totally break it. Now let's save the CheatEngine table. It'll be enough to launch this so that we will not have to rescan everything each time. Let's save it on the desktop. And let's pray that it works. As you see, the values have returned to their original value. Let's try activating them. Yeah, it works. Yes, it works. Excellent. The CheatEngine software is also used to create trainers for video games. It also allows you to create a GUI, a graphical user interface. Maybe we'll see it in a future video. Subscribe to the channel at your own risk. See you soon on the same digital highway.